Okay.
Let me know, team, if you can see my screen. All of you can see my screen? Sudhanshu, Arjun?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Excellent.
yes, yes.
So we'll start with Sudhanshu. Can you go ahead and read this part?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
This one.
To be,
Mm-hmm.
they are, sir.
Mm-hmm. Perfect.
And
Next one.
I am,
Mm-hmm.
he, she, it is,
Mm-hmm.
they, we, you are.
Perfect. So what we're trying to do is, this is some basic grammar. We do not focus on much of classroom type of grammar, but what we focus on in very functional form of grammar, so that when you're constructing your sentences, you know which tense to speak and you speak correctly. See, fluency will come from time to time, but it's very important. Anything that you speak correctly, and you sound confident when you speak. So that's what we're trying to achieve. Moving on to the next slide. Arjun, can you read me this complete slide?
Okay, sir. I am 20-year-old. I am single. I am British from London. My best friend's name is Alex. I
Mhm,
am I am a university student. I am
mhm.
not married. My father is a doctor and my mother is a teacher.
Perfect. So do remember, whenever you would like to go ahead and introduce yourself and talk about you and your parents or anyone. So the reason why we use the is actually a present tense. So if you're talking about any human being on the planet who is alive as you speak, so you would refer to them as is. Just a small rule. And next is am. So whenever you would introduce yourself, you will always say, I am Arun Kumar, or I am Neeldhar, or I am Shudhanshu. Okay, so this is the use of am. Now, moving on to the next slide, do we have Surender on the line?
Okay.
Surender, can you read the next one?
Okay. The verb to be subject I,
Mhm,
you, he, she, it, we, they, and verb
mhm.
am, are, is, are.
Okay, so we will read it this way. Let's try it one more time. The
Hmm.
subject is I, and the next verb that we use is am.
Yes, yes.
Mhm. So can you make a sentence with I and am?
Yeah. I am a boy. I am many things we can use.
Perfect. Arjun, can you make a sentence with you and are?
You are a teacher.
Perfect. Sudhanshu, the next one.
He is a sportsman.
Great. Moving on to Surendra. Next one.
She is a housewife.
Okay. So we'll pronounce it as is. So all that we're doing is we're talking about human beings who are alive in the present tense. So we are using is before the subject. Next one, Arjun.
It is a chair.
Okay. Next one, Sudhanshu.
We are friends.
Perfect. Next one, Surendra.
Hmm. They are students.
Okay, great. Next one is, now we would use them with the contraction. What is the contraction? We have a positive form out here. So we'll be making sentence with to be. So let's do this way. Uh, I and am. You can contract it and say am. You and are. You can contract it and say you are. He and is. So you can contract with is. So let's start and make few sentences, starting with Sudhanshu. Can you make a sentence with I am or am?
Am.
Let's make a sentence.
I'm a sportsman.
Great. Next one, Arjun.
Uh, you are a good teacher. Just
Thank you. Next one, Surendra.
He is a cricketer. He is
Perfect.
a cricketer.
Next. Okay. Let's move on to the next one, Sudhanshu.
She is a doctor.
Okay. Next one, Arjun.
it is a place.
Okay. So out here we are using a contraction form. So when we use a contraction form, we will not say it is. We'll say it's. It's
It's
a place. Can we try and make a sentence with it's?
It's a long rope.
Great. Next one, Sudhanshu.
We are good friends.
Perfect. Surendra.
They are engineer.
Perfect. Moving on to the next one. I would like Arjun to read them.
39-year-old American from Boston, doctor, married with two children, best
Mhm.
friend Christine.
Perfect. So this is about Julia. Let's check the next slide. Sudhanshu, make statements about Sarah. Can you read them out?
Sarah is a 60 years old.
Mhm. Okay. Read the rest of them and make a sentence with this, with all of them. So first sentence, let's say Sarah is 6 years old. Let's make the next sentence.
Sarah is in grade 1.
Perfect. Next one.
Sarah is Chinese mother. Sarah is right-handed.
Oh, no, no, no.
Sarah is
Let's try this one again. So you can see Sarah is a kid. So how will you make this sentence?
Sarah is a Chinese kid.
Sarah is a Chinese kid, but we need to use the mother as well. So what do you think Sarah's mother would be?
Sarah's mother.
Yes,
Sarah's mother Chinese. No.
perfect. So Sarah's mother is Chinese.
Is Chinese.
So the Chinese would be the subject and we'll use the verb is. Okay, moving on to the next one. Sudhanshu, let's make a sentence.
Sarah is a right-handed.
Okay, perfect. Next one. Arjun.
Sarah is
Australian.
Perfect. Moving on to the next one. Now, we often use to be plus adjectives. So this is one example. We need to create a sentence. She is a nice woman. He is a tall man. The movie is funny. The weather is cold. It's a beautiful day. They are loud. These are some examples where the S sound is used in the present tense. Now, if you notice carefully, she is a nice woman, which means that she is a very nice woman. Now, it cannot be that she has been a nice woman and she will be a nice woman in the future. So is would only be used for present tense. And next one, match the following. Let's try with Sudhanshu. You need to match the picture with the phrase on the right. So A,
Sir,
B,
I
C,
didn't
1,
get
2, 3.
First is matching with B picture. He is the first.
Perfect. Sudhanshu, next one.
Second is a matching to first. Sir.
Okay, A, correct.
A.
Only one left, Arjun.
Third is matching C.
Perfect. Moving on to the next one, starting with Arjun.
Angry. First is matching from B.
Perfect. Sudhanshu.
Second is matching to C.
Perfect. And Surendra.
C is old. Third matching with A picture.
Perfect. Next one, we move to Surendra. Make sentences by matching. Okay. So let's try and make a sentence.
Okay.
With
The car
picture.
is a the car is
Yes.
small.
Perfect. Next one, Arjun.
The boots are very dirty.
Perfect. Next one, Sudhanshu.
The house is big.
Okay, perfect. Moving on to the next one, Sudhanshu.
The boy is sick.
Okay, Arjun.
The gorilla is very strong animal.
Perfect. Moving on to the next one, we have Surendra.
The toy is a white.
Perfect. Next one, again, use the verb to be. Okay. And here we are going to use the verb in certain sentences. We would fill up the blanks. So an example, we are hungry because we went for a run. So first one, Sudhanshu, can you fill up the correct word here?
Yes, sir. You are my best friend.
Perfect. The word is are. Arjun, next one.
The traffic is very bad today.
Perfect, because we're talking about present tense. Next one, number 4.
The airport is very busy today.
Excellent. Again, we're talking about today. Sudhanshu, the next one.
The train is full very more.
Okay, perfect. We are talking about our present continuous. Moving on to Arjun. Next one.
He is a good hockey and football player.
Perfect. Moving on to next one. We use the verb to be in a certain format. So let's see if we can do it correctly. Sudhanshu, let's try the first one.
They are a nice family.
Correct. Arjun.
The movie is sold out.
Correct. Surendra.
The test is difficult.
Mhm.
You should
Perfect.
study.
Next one. Moving on to, let's try with Surendra one more.
He is a nice man and he is kind and friendly.
Perfect. Again, we're talking about present tense. Sudhanshu, the next one.
They are a big family. She has 5 brothers and sisters.
Perfect. Next one, again, we are using a contraction. If you remember what a contraction is, that I am, we are, that we are combining together. The first one is, they're very tired tonight. So there. So let's try with the first one. So this is the word, and you need to use the contraction out here. So please
Yes,
try
yes.
the first word.
Mhm. She's
Read the complete sentence.
she's my best friend.
Perfect. Next one, Arjun.
We are excited about the party.
Perfect. Moving on to the next one, Surendra.
They are going on vacation tomorrow, so
Mhm.
they are very happy.
Perfect. Moving on to Sudhanshu.
He's my older brother.
Mhm. Next one.
Okay. Brother is 5 years older than me.
No, let's fill up this one.
He's a 5 year older than me.
He is 5 years older than me. That's the right contraction. Moving on to the next one. Again, we use the contraction. Sudhanshu, please start.
I'm at home tonight.
Can you repeat that?
I'm at home tonight.
Perfect. The right contraction. Again, next contraction. Arjun using this one.
You are so funny, you make me laugh.
Perfect. Next one, Surendra.
The car is very fast. It's one of the fastest in the world.
Excellent. Moving on to the next one. Again, we use the contraction, starting with Sudhanshu.
It's a 2-year-old. We bought him 2 years ago.
Now, let's use the contraction for my dog.
My dog is 2 years old.
Okay, but we are using a contraction, right? So it'll be my dog's
My
2-year-old.
dogs. Yes, yes.
We brought him 2 years. So it'll be my dog apostrophe S. Let's try the next one. Surendra, try again, please.
I am a university professor.
Excellent. Moving on. The next one, it says, it can replace a noun. Okay, so it replaces the previous noun in the sentence or the sentence before. So you can speak about a day, weather conditions by using it, stating the day first. Like it's hot outside, it's cold outside, it's a beautiful day. Okay. So the train is at the station. The car is nice. The house is clean. The weather is hot today. It's a beautiful day. It is very modern. Thanks, it is new. Yes, we cleaned it today. Yes, it is very hot. Yes, it is sunny and warm. All we are doing out here is we are practicing the use of the word it is in present tense.
Yes.
Moving on to the next one, we do a match the following. Let's start with Arjun.
Sir, it is sunny today.
Which one do you think will match?
Matching from C.
Perfect. Surendra?
It is cold today with picture A.
Great. And next one?
It is raining today with B.
Perfect. Team, we also I have Arif on the line. Hi Arif, how are you doing?
I am fine.
Good to know. So Arif, we are doing some exercises based on the use of it is, and we are using contractions. We are using it in the present form. So Arif, read the next slide. you'll have to match the one on the right with the picture on the left. Can you try the first one?
It is modern and fancier from matching from sea.
Okay, perfect. Arif, let's try the next one.
Yes, sir. It is
Mhm.
it is enormous and old.
Okay, which one do you think it matches?
Sir, from a image.
Okay, excellent. Arif, try one more.
It is large and new.
Okay, which one does it match?
Uh, Sir, B from B.
Okay, excellent. Now again, we'll use the verb to be below. Okay, let's try and fill up the blank with am, is, are. Let's use the correct format. We'll try with Sudhanshu first.
The show is funny. It
Mhm.
always makes me laugh.
Okay, so Sudhanshu will say always.
Always.
Perfect. Next one, let's try with Surendra.
Okay. I don't enjoy that class.
Mhm.
It's very slow and boring.
Perfect. Next one, we move on to Arjun. Can you read the next one?
It's
Using
cold out.
am, is, are.
It's cold outside. Please put on your hat.
Perfect. Arif, let's start with number 25.
It is rainy today. Take the umbrella.
Perfect. Let's try the next one. Sudhanshu.
I'm waiting for the train. It's
Mhm.
late today.
Perfect. Moving on to the next one. Arif, let's give it a try.
She is one of the best doctors in this city.
Perfect. Next one, Surendra.
It's an important day.
Okay, followed by Arjun.
It's our last day at the office.
Okay, Sudhanshu.
The TV is broken. Who can fix it?
Arif.
The book is interesting.
Mhm.
It is the best book I have read in a long time.
I have, when we talk about past tense, read would be pronounced as read.
Read.
Yes, I have read in a long time. Okay, moving on to the next time. Next slide, we use a verb and we use the negative form. So the verb subject is I and the negative form of the verb is am not. So we'll try and make a sentence with I and am not. Sudhanshu, please give it a try. Sudhanshu, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, let's make a sentence with I am not.
I am not a good cricketer.
Great. Moving on to the next one, Arif.
Yes, sir. You are not a
Mhm.
hooker.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
You are not hooker.
Okay. Next one, let's try with Arjun.
He is not a game.
Okay. We'll try next one with Surendra.
She's not a doctor.
Perfect. Sudhanshu, the next one.
It is not a long rope.
Perfect. Arif, the next one.
We are not a gentleman.
Okay. The next one, let's try with Arjun.
They are not bored.
Okay, perfect. Moving on to the next one. Now we'll try a little harder. We'll try the complete contraction 1 and 2 out here. So subject contraction 1. So I, the contraction will be I'm not. You're not, or you aren't. So we'll make two sentences, one with you're not, one with you aren't. Let's try with Sudhanshu.
You are not a good cricketer. You
Perfect.
aren't a good cricketer.
Excellent. Same word, you, but we are using in two different contraction. Moving on, the next one with Arjun.
Uh, he he is not he is not good boy.
Okay.
He is not good habit.
He isn't. One you said he is not a good boy. The next one he isn't.
Not good boy. Yeah, it's
Okay,
boy.
perfect. Next one, Arif. So you got the concept where to use not and isn't. So next one, Arif.
She is not noble.
Mhm.
She isn't perfect.
Okay, great. Who do we have left? Surendra, let's try the next one.
It's not cold today.
Mhm.
It isn't cold today.
Perfect. Surendra, next one again.
We are not brothers.
Mhm.
We aren't friends.
Great. Sudhanshu, the next one.
They are not good friends. They
Mhm.
aren't good friends.
Okay. Moving on to the next slide. So we'll make negative sentences. So looking at the pictures A and B, we'll make negative sentences, two each. Okay, let's try with Arif. Can you make a negative sentence with the first picture?
Uh, the car
Mhm.
the car is not
Yes, you're going right. The car is
the
not.
car is not good quality.
Great.
Good
Sudhanshu,
quality.
let's make a negative sentence with the car.
The car is not expensive.
Okay, perfect. Arjun, let's look at picture B and let's make a negative sentence.
The sky is not blue.
Okay. Surendra, let's make another negative sentence.
Okay. It isn't
Mhm. You're going right. Yes.
hot today.
Okay, correct. Or we could say it isn't raining. So it hasn't
Yeah.
rained yet. Perfect. Let's try and make negative sentence. Arif, let's try with picture A.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
The car
Mhm.
yeah, the car
Mhm.
is now the car is full snow.
Okay, so let me give you an example of positive sentence and negative sentence in this. The positive sentence or positive contraption would be uh, the car is covered in snow. The negative would be the car isn't covered in snow. Do you get the difference?
Yes, sir.
Is and isn't, where are we using? So is would be the positive form and isn't would be the negative form. Let's try again, Arif, with the picture in B. So it shows a tree which is blowing off by the wind. So please make a positive and a negative sentence.
Sir, the picture is not clear.
Okay, so let me make the sentence, give me the negative form. It is very windy today.
Yes, sir.
It is very windy today.
Very windy today.
What would be the negative form? Okay, let me help you.
Sir, I
So
did not understand.
let me explain. So positive and negative.
I
It is very windy today. The negative form would be it isn't very windy today. Sudhanshu, Arjun, Surendra, did you get that?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Moving on to the next one. Let's make a negative sentence using 2B. Let's start with Sudhanshu.
He is my friend. I do
That would
not know him.
be a positive
Yes, sir.
sentence. So let's make a negative.
He isn't my good friend.
No, we'll just fill in the blank.
He is my good friend.
No, again, that's a positive. So let me help you. He isn't my friend. I don't know him. So if I'm saying he is my friend, so we are using in the positive format. So we say he isn't my friend. Let's try one more. Sudhanshu, go ahead.
She isn't very tall. Are you
Mhm.
sure? she can reach.
Perfect. Next one, Arif.
Yes, sir. Books, books are interesting. I
Mhm.
prefer my
Okay.
bed.
Now, if you notice, Arif, when you say books are interesting, you're using the positive form. So probably we discussed that at the beginning of the class. You were a little late, so let me explain this. Books aren't interesting. I prefer my iPad. So when you say book are interesting, you're using the positive form. When you're saying books aren't interesting, you're using the negative form. Surendra, next one.
Okay. The TV is broken again. It isn't a good brand.
Perfect. So this is the right form of using the negative. We're left with Arjun, the next one.
The movie isn't funny. I did not laugh at all.
Perfect. The next one. We start with Sudhanshu. Again, we use negative sentence like he isn't a good football player. So let's use the negative sentence out here.
She isn't very tall.
Mhm.
Are you sure she can reach?
Perfect. Arif, let's move on to the next one.
Call the store.
Mhm.
I think do not open.
Now, I think it isn't open. We using again negative sentences. Okay. Next one, we move to Surendra.
Okay. Take an umbrella. It isn't nice outside.
Excellent. Arjun.
It is an old dress.
Mhm.
It isn't
It
new.
isn't new.
Isn't
Great.
new. Sorry.
Perfect. Next one, we'll make a positive and the negative sentence. So New York in the United States. So for an example, it is not cold outside today. And another form would be it is cold outside today. So with number 43, New York in the United States, let's make a positive with is and isn't. One sentence with is and one sentence with isn't. So let's try with you, Arjun.
Um, Newark is positive and in the United States.
New York is in the United States. Yes, that is right. And can we try a negative one?
Newark
Mhm.
is not in the United States.
Okay, perfect. Though it is not true, but out here we're just checking our tenses. So we are, having an understanding of where to use is and isn't. Next one, Arif,
Yes, sir.
can you read?
Yes, gold jewelry. Yeah, cheap.
Okay, can you fill up the blank?
The gold jewelry is upmarket
No,
and
just use the
the
form is and isn't out here. Which one do you think would apply?
yes, sir.
You have to choose between is and isn't. Which one do you think will apply out here?
Sir is
Okay. So do you think gold jewelry is cheap?
uh, isn't.
Okay, perfect. So gold jewelry isn't cheap. Next one, moving to Arjun.
The the Habit is not good movie.
Okay. So both ways it will be okay. So Sudhanshu, the next one.
Football is my favorite sport.
Mhm.
Football isn't my favorite sport.
Great, excellent. Next one we have Arjun. Oh, no, Surendra, I'm sorry, Surendra. Next
Okay,
one.
okay.
Please go on.
It is windy today. It
Mhm.
isn't windy today.
Excellent. So we use the positive and negative format. Now what we would do is we would go ahead and read a few words and try to go ahead and make sentences. These are very commonly used words. So let me quickly bring it up. Okay. Sudhanshu, can you pronounce the first word and make a sentence?
Uh, it is a wise woman.
Okay. Now, woman, would you actually use a woman as is or would you use a she? It isn't, as we mentioned, we
Yeah,
use for objects.
she's a wise woman.
Excellent. Next one, Arjun.
Hello.
Yes, let's make a sentence with the next word.
The lion is a king of jungle.
Lion is the king of
King.
the jungle. Out here, when we refer to as the jungle, we refer as the. Next one, we have Surendra. Can you make a sentence?
Okay. Computer.
Mhm.
So it's very useful.
Perfect. Arif, let's make a sentence with the next one.
Multinational, sir, what meaning? I don't know.
Arif, your voice is breaking. What did you say? Multinational?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Sudhanshu, can you try making a sentence with multinational?
Multinational.
Yes, please give it a try.
Yes, yes, sir.
Let's make a sentence with multinational.
TCS is a multinational company.
Excellent. Next one, Arjun.
The English is a international language.
Okay. Next one, Surendra.
Okay. Sir, I don't mean. I didn't get mean server.
Okay. Arif, next one.
Yes, sir. Um I I server of my parent.
Okay. Arif, you use activity. Let's try and make a word with activity.
Yes, sir.
Can you try and make a word with activity? A sentence, a complete sentence, I mean.
Uh, sir, gentleman is activity.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Sir, gentleman is
Okay. That's not exactly correct. The way we would use activity is present continuous. So this class that we're doing, it's an activity we're doing, it's in present and it's going on. So activity would be to describe an action. Next one, Sudhanshu, can you make a sentence with this? I guess Sudhanshu can't hear. So Arjun, can you go ahead?
Pronunciation. My English is not good pronunciation.
Okay. My pronunciation for the English language is not good. Okay. Next one, Surendra.
Okay. Is not abbreviation is isn't.
You can use any format. Just make a correct sentence. So these are very commonly used words. So we are trying to pronounce it correctly and use it in a sentence. So we build up a fluency and grammar together.
Hmm.
Let's try. Okay, no problem. So let's try a different activity to build up fluency. Now, Arif, if you remember, I asked you to write a quick essay on your childhood. Have you written that?
no,
Okay,
sir.
no problem. Can you speak a little bit on your childhood to help us understand the fluency? And follow that, we'll have everyone speak a little bit on their childhood. Just for 2 minutes. Yes, Arif, can you start? Okay, Arif, do you need time? In that case, why don't you think about it? Meanwhile, let's go ahead and ask Surendra, why don't you tell me a little bit about your childhood? Make sure your sentences are short and you're using is or isn't, correctively like we did in the exercise.
Okay.
Mhm.
Sir, I'm not getting to make sentence like is or isn't.
No problem. Even if you say it's a guideline, even if you don't use it, you still can go ahead and talk about your childhood so that we can help understand your fluency and your development needs.
Okay. I don't remember my childhood, but whenever I see some little children, so I that time I imagine
Mhm.
that my time. So
Okay, good try. Sudhanshu, would you like to try? Talk about your childhood?
Yes, sir. Sir, I will say childhood memories are the sweetest things.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone must have childhood memories. So I also have. Uh,
Okay. Arjun, why don't you try a little bit about your childhood?
Sorry, sir, I cannot understand this time.
I'm sorry, you didn't understand the question?
Sir, because no idea about mine
Okay.
time.
Okay. Arif, why don't you try? Tell me something about your childhood. Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. Uh, childhood childhood is a
Mm-hmm.
good life because meanwhile when it is childhood,
Mm-hmm.
so he he does not think about anything
Mm-hmm.
like when he go to anywhere, so
Mm-hmm.
he play and he play whole day and like this uh, he does not think any problem and he keep on play whole day and and in this uh, childhood he is a naughty boy and he and he he give any person harm and anything give harm, so other person is called childhood, but childhood does not care in this talk and childhood is a very good and um, word of all problem, uh, so he is free and when he when he eat and when he do not want to, so he does not eat and like this meanwhile in childhood the feeds the feeds is being so after that
Mm-hmm.
childhood grow up so in this talk he remember and like funny talk, so he think and he laugh and emotional work, so uh, he think properly
Mm-hmm.
properly and and uh, and then about childhood it
Mm-hmm.
is very good life, it is very good life, that's enough.
Okay. Excellent. Let's talk about some modern affairs or topic just to check our extempore. Sorry, I had to switch device. Let's start with Surendra. Surendra, can you talk about work from home during ongoing coronavirus?
Okay, okay.
Mhm.
So basically, we have seen in the COVID-19 time. Basically, there is a no way we can go to office or come to office because all are restricted. So
Mhm.
basically, this is the best way to for work from home. So
Mhm.
basically, because now the time technology is growing. So basically, we can easily work from home, and
Mhm.
because we have internet and we have a laptop, so it's a very easy task to work from home, and it's very suitable. And
Mhm.
if many companies using our many apps like Duo, WhatsApp, video calling while meeting, so I
Mhm.
think it is the best way. Or nowadays many employees, they are working from home.
Mhm.
I think the situation is now some normal. So that's it, sir.
Okay, excellent. Let's try with Arjun. Can you speak on the same topic which Surendra spoke about?
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
Mm, the work from home is not good for mobile assembly, other sectors. Work from home is good for data entry, software industry.
Mhm.
So they have many problems from for
Mhm.
other companies,
Mhm.
and I
Go on, keep trying.
sir, I have many problem of
Mhm.
go, go to companies because corona is very dangerous,
Mhm.
and sorry sir.
No, that's absolutely okay. Go try, all three of you. We have, uh, I guess, someone left the meeting, but we have Surendra, Arif, and Arjun. Go try, all three of you. Don't worry at all. So here's what I see that now I already have been working with Arif. So I would quickly go ahead and advise this to Arjun and Surendra. So here's what you guys need to do is this is called a very effective exercise called the mirror practice. Now, what is the mirror practice? You every day go ahead and read an article at least for 5 minutes in front of the mirror. And I hope all of you have a smartphone. What you do
Yes.
is you record yourself while speaking in front of the mirror. Because any
Okay.
language that you speak, to make certain words, your lips need to move in a certain way. Like if I speak A, if I speak E, if I speak I, if I speak O, so my lips are moving in a certain direction. To understand that and speak correctly, it's very important that first you see yourself in the mirror. Now that we have recording technology available, use the recording option on your phone and record yourself and play it back. You would be able to auto-correct yourself and know where you are going wrong. So this will slowly help build up your fluency. That is one thing. And secondly, at EduLite, we focus on functional language. We have multiple courses like one we went with today. We also have other courses which can actually help you fix your grammar, your vocabulary, which can come with, focusing on different topics or different modules that we have, which will help you build up your fluency one by one. And
Hmm.
slowly and gradually, you would be able to speak more confidently. Now, this is
Okay.
something which I've shared already with Arif. I'm sharing with Surendra and Arjun as well. Now,
Okay.
any language that you're trying to speak, not just English. Let's say you try to speak French, you try to speak Malayalam, you try to speak Tamil, any language that you try to speak, in the beginning, if you try and use very long sentences, Even if you try and speak in Hindi and you use very long sentences, what you would see is you will normally go ahead and not be able to speak it correctly because you take too much time thinking. Now,
Yes.
English, as it's a new language and you all are trying to learn, definitely your knowledge gap out here is a little low. So I would repeat myself again since we have Surendra on the line. And I guess we lost someone. We have Arif. Yes. Okay. Okay, let me continue. So if you notice, even if you speak Hindi and if you speak for long sentences, you would actually go ahead and a little bit mess up your sentences. So the idea is KISS formula, which is keep it short and simple. Because the major problem that we have while communicating, we think in Hindi and we try to speak in English. Tell me, anyone, if I'm saying incorrectly. Is that what's happening with you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
yes, yes, definitely.
when I speak English, my confidence level is very low.
Mhm. Okay. To fix this,
Yes, sir.
Arjun, in the beginning, you have to keep your sentences very short. To keep it
Uh,
short, you need to know the positive and negative form of the common words like a, doesn't, are, aren't, me, we, short, tall, and you need to keep your sentences short and structured so that slowly you build up your confidence and you keep speaking more and more fluently and more confidently. Any questions on this, Arjun or Surendra?
no, sir.
No, sir.
Perfect. So we just have a couple of minutes left. And after that, I'll be continuing a little longer with Arif since he already is a part of the program. So let me spend the last 8 minutes just with Surendra and Arjun out here. So
Okay.
Surendra, tell me once again, after taking this class, and how do you think that you would be able to benefit from this program? Just express your mind and talk about it. Just ensure you speak in English, keep your sentences short and structured.
So yeah, first time
Mhm,
I have taken class like this, and
mhm,
earlier we have read
mhm,
grammatical points, very
mhm,
little sound sentences. After
mhm,
then, is, them, are, and there are some.
mhm,
You have given us some topics to speak, and
mhm,
we have tried
mhm,
our best and spoke little bit on that topic. So
mhm.
yeah, it's a good time to spend with you. So I think yes.
Okay, great. So all I was trying to do out here is, trying to help you get your fluency back. So that's something you already know. And after this, I will tell you something, another trick which will help you communicate better.
Hmm.
Arjun, can you also tell me something about the question I asked? What are your expectations?
Sir,
In that
the
case,
English class is good.
mhm,
I am I am thinking uh, I am thinking
mhm.
मतलब, with you the the next the next step is very simple. Yeah, good
Mhm.
with you.
Okay, okay. Now here's
Sir,
one
actually,
more.
I am not come idea in mind when I speak English.
Okay.
Big problem.
Okay, so let me give you a quick tip, which I have already shared with rest of my students. What happens is, Surendra, Arjun, and Arif, one more time. Now, when we are confident about a topic, normally our fluency level increases. So what we need to do is we need to speak about topics that we are not confident about. Only then we would be able to check ourselves, we'll be able to correct ourselves, and we'll be able to think and speak. So let's spend the last 5 minutes. Let's talking about another quick topic so that it can improve our fluency. Let's start with Arjun. Can you talk about a little bit about the vaccinations going on for pandemic in India right now?
What, sir?
The pandemic, the corona vaccination. Can you talk something about it?
The corona vaccine is the corona vaccine will come, and I will pray good vaccine, and all people are safe.
Try to speak a little longer on this.
And the corona cases is very big in New Delhi, and after lockdown the people are very safe of very safe of other people, another people. Yeah, distance people.
Okay.
And but the work will the work will start any place, because the people are not the people are not
Right.
sir,
That's okay. You tried, good effort. As I said, these are called extempore, which are random topics. Force you to think. A good attempt. You tried well. Let's go ahead and try it with Surendra right now. Can you speak a little bit about the corona vaccination?
So in India, we have found a vaccine for COVID-19, and it has completed, I think, above 1 crore people. And first, we have vaccination in the defense, who are in defense and hospitals, and now it's going on other people, and if even we have export, we have exported to the other country as well. So that company PM appreciated Narendra Modi. So I think it's right. Yes, sir.